Wow. The design of this is kind of amazing. I've been wanting to do this for a long time now. Just go online and buy the most ridiculous phones I can find. And you probably guessed my weapon of choice for that is Wish.com. Okay, so we're gonna start fairly tame. Let's have a look at S20. Wow. Straight away, I see Galaxy S20 Ultras for £84. What could go wrong? Let's just go crazy. Let's go S30, see what happens. There's like literally no shame in these posts. They've labeled this phone as the 2020 S30 Plus. But I feel like we could do better than that. What happens if we just type in mini smartphone? Oh my god, they've got one of the mini Nokia 3310 ripoffs. Okay, let's grab one of those. We've got one here that looks kind of iPhone-like. What if we go for like a giant smartphone? Wait, what? What's going on there? That's a £1 tablet. But you know what, on the subject of tablets, there's one here for £22. But actually, now's a pretty good time to say thanks to Surfshark VPN for sponsoring this video. No way. They've got the Lapbook Pro. Step aside, Apple. Ooh, that looks interesting. I'm trying to think how to reach the weirdest stuff on this site. Oh dear. Okay, this is kind of what I was looking for. There's a phone that doubles as a car. Oh, okay, that's more like it. This is an ultra-thin mini phone. It almost just looks like a sheet of glass, but this is the kind of thing I was looking for. Okay, I'd be curious if they've got the new Huawei phones. Oh my god, no. So this isn't the P40, this is the P43 Pro. It's £112, it's one of the more expensive ones, but discounted from £2,175. 2020 new 5G super smartphone. They've got loads of cases. That is the most hideous thing I've seen all day. They basically put the camera lenses that would be on the back of your phone on the back of the case. So instead of actually looking like a normal case, it looks like you're holding a transparent phone. Unless, of course, this is an invisibility cloak and it actually makes your phone see-through. Let's grab some cool headphones for these. Very interesting pair of headphones here. Okay, I need to stop. I'm just gonna have to close my eyes and do it. Okay, let the waiting games begin. Alright, well, this has been ridiculous. I've waited 4 months for this. Alright, so we'll start with the accessories, and then we'll get to the phones. Okay, box me. Okay, the bows. The Sennheisers, which kind of look a little bit like they've been punched on the way out the factory. Let's start with Bose. So they kind of initially look pretty convincing, but you realize the entire thing is plastic, and not the good kind of plastic. Let's test the active noise cancellation. They sound very bass heavy, but actually not that bad. It's stuff like this, it reminds you that it's not very expensive to make a decent pair of earphones. Who made this box? Okay, well, this is actually a really nice ear cup design. These feel pretty great. And that actually sounds even better. Oh, by the way, if you're enjoying this video, a sub to the channel would be incredible. Alright, product me. This is our transparent phone that we were sold. It's just a cheap naff TPU case, as we expected. Oh, this is actually kind of nice. Well, a little bit less nice now it's out the package, but you can see the kind of, all the icons floating around in this kind of like liquid. It's not the worst I've seen. Would I use it? No. Now this probably is the worst I've seen. This is, oh my god, it's almost worse in person. Do I look good? Now, unless I'm completely mistaken, this is our glass ball. Yeah, I mean, it inverts everything I'm seeing. It's kind of trippy. Let's give it a go. I'm gonna pull up my camera, take a photo. Okay, that doesn't work as advertised. Okay, what if I lay it down? No. It's a really good ball though. Like, it's just very, very smooth. Ooh, okay. No way. Okay, I've never seen a laptop with nothing on the front. Ooh, it's booting up in Chinese. It's not a good sign.
Six hours later.
This is just painful. Do you know what? Forget it. To be continued. Okay. Okay, tablets. It is tablet time. Oh no, wait, okay, so this is... I think this is our $1 tablet. Let's give this a go. I'm very, very curious about this, because it just... The business model doesn't make any sense. I'm not even sure how they make money off this. And there is a tablet here. There is a tablet here. What is this? I mean, it looks terrible, but... Is it gonna work? Okay, it's got a boot screen. It says Android. It does appear to be loading. It was $1. I'm pretty sure it's free shipping as well. Working Android tablet. It works. Android tablet works. All right. Let's see the more upmarket version of this. Okay, so it's the same. It's like the most disgusting looking, cheap plastic mass-produced tablet ever. Well, I wonder where the inspiration for this package came from. Wow.
Wow.
That's not bad, you know. Oh, it's okay. It's not great from the front, but, you know, I quite like the design. We've clearly been lied to by the photos I saw, but that was expected. Oh, that is not a pretty loading screen. It looks respectable, but not like something I would ever recommend anyone buy. Still very confused about that $1 tablet. Oh, my floor looks very good right now. If only you could see it. I don't show them. All right, we've got 3 coming. Oh! Oh! And now we are starting on the phones. The dumb phones, not the smartphones yet. This is probably the cutest phone I've ever seen. It's so cute. It's kind of adorable, like I kind of want one. How do I look? Does this look good? I kind of want to almost put my SIM in it. Would my SIM even fit in that? Maybe. It's so small, like it's smaller than your AirPods in your pocket. Okay, I have actually no idea what's in this one. And this is our car phone. This is exciting. This is the moment of truth right here. Yeah, it was a bit anticlimactic. It's got a good like closing snap, not a very good opening snap. So I'd kind of like to just. And that was my finger. How do you even? Okay, this is our all glass smartphone. And this, I mean, the design of this is kind of amazing. I mean, I guess it's not feasible to actually build a smartphone with this kind of form factor, but if possible, this is nice. It actually shares a lot of traits with smartphone design as well. It's like a single unibody metal phone. I really like this. I've also got 2 more, what I think are mini phones, and I don't think these ones are smartphones, but we'll find out. Smaller than expected. Oh my god, look at this thing. And it actually does look a bit like a, what is this? This is like an iPhone 6 design. I mean, get an edge-to-edge screen in a form factor like this and I am sold. Oh, this is Android? Maybe. Funky boot up animation. Wow. This is Android. This is a fully functioning iPhone clone with the size of like my 2 smallest fingers. Let's have a look at the camera. Oh wow, this is terrible. Has it got my face in it? All right, and the other one is in a pretty nondescript package. Let's have a look. It looks very similar. Wow, okay, this is for a different video. Yeah. All right, let's get smartphoning. Let's do it.
Not.
that's not for this video. I feel like I handled that quite well. What? If someone could just write the name on the box. Some of them are labelled, some of them aren't, some are in these 100% plain white boxes, and others actually have quite a lot of attention to detail put into them. I mean, it's not convincingly real, but at least it's not this, you know? So let's start with the S20 Ultra. This will be interesting. Oh no, it's still stuck. Okay. Is it just me, or does this look even bigger than the S20 Ultra? I'm pretty sure that's bigger than it should be. Oh my god. No. What? Alright, so this is a Galaxy S20 Ultra. This is whatever on earth we just got. It makes it look like a light phone. That's nuts. And there's the welcome screen. Would you look at that? Okay, so we get in. Everything is absolutely supersized. Okay, we've got our fingerprint there. That somehow worked. Wait a second. Just to be sure, can you put your finger on that screen? Yeah. Thought so. And just to make 100% sure, let's go for face beauty mode on the front camera. Oh, look, very pretty. Look at that. You know what? I will say this. I don't hate the finish, and I don't hate the size. I hate pretty much everything else about it, but... Oh, what is it with these boxes? This feels like Huawei P40 Pro Plus. Yes, that's what it is. Okay, so it's kind of got the camera module of the Huawei P40 Pro Plus, but everything is obviously not real. Oh, and that's a shame as well. There's no hole punch, it's just a notch on the top.
It looks dented.
It looks dented? Oh no, you're right. There actually is a small dent on the back. Maybe someone threw some smartphone boxes on it. Oh. And I'm assuming that we only actually get one working camera on the back. Oh god. So I just tried zooming in, and this is what it looks like at 4x zoom. Could be better. But alright, P40 Pro Plus is a 2020 phone. We can't expect too much. But here we have the P43 Pro. So, phone from the future. This could look like anything. Let's have a look. This looks exactly the same. This whole thing is so weird, right? We've got two phones here. They look almost identical, but there's so many subtle differences. It makes you think, are different companies actually making these, or are they the same company just trying to make it look like they've got different models? Same theme song again. A few dead pixels around. Like wish.com. It's so strange. I do feel like these phones must be linked. They all say welcome on the start screen. They all have the same startup sound, and they all suck. Alright, Mate 36. Oh, this is a sick looking camera. I just love the way this camera looks. I'm just waiting for the theme song to drop. It's coming. It's coming, I told you. Absolutely like no effort at all put into this camera software. It's just absolute base stock Android. And now for a mystery box. Alright. Wait, did I order another S20 Ultra? Well, this is, I think, a correctly sized, yeah, it's actually bang on correct, Galaxy S20 Ultra, but the camera module is smaller. I've got an Android. Let's just wait for the welcome. We've got the S20 Ultra default wallpaper and kind of a standard Samsung skin, except everything looks slightly inverted in terms of color. It's like copying the homework but changing it up a little so no one notices. And the last phone is the Mate 40. Not sure about that one actually. Oh, and they've swapped out Leica for Lioa. And this is again using Huawei's own Mate 30 wallpapers, but with a slightly different software skin. And that's the Mate 40 Pro. Probably the only Mate 40 Pro you can get in the US. Okay, so about a year ago, Surfshark VPN contacted me, and they asked if I wanted to partner up with them. And I remember thinking, I haven't heard of Surfshark, but sure, let me give it a test and see if I like it. And I did. It gives you everything you need a VPN to do, like that peace of mind that your browsing is secure and anonymous. Also, I'd be traveling around the world for launch events, and I'd be using it to access UK Netflix while I'm sitting in China, for example. So that's fine. But I've now been using it for almost a full year, and it's becoming pretty clear that a lot of VPNs out there are borderline daylight robbery. They'll charge you like $20, $30 per person per month for VPN access. Surfshark costs $1.99 a month for an unlimited amount of simultaneous connections. And there are some unique features too. There's HackLock, a feature designed to give you alerts should your passwords or email be compromised, and I like that using the Surfshark app on my MacBook, I can tap once in the bar at the top and quickly connect to the last server I was connected to. So, check the link in the description and use code BOSS. There's now a bigger discount than ever. It's 85% off and an extra 3 months for free. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, a sub would be incredible. My name is Aaron, this is Mr. Who's the Boss, and I'll catch you in the next one.